Earlier this week, I posted a glam, smoky look with the new Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette, and I had a couple requests to do kind of a softer everyday eye look, so that's exactly what I did today. So if you want to see how I got this soft everyday eye look using this kind of grungy palette, go ahead and keep on watching. I went ahead and primed my eyes off camera, and I did set them with a translucent powder. I'm going to start with the shade Rise Up on a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to blend that throughout my crease. And I am dipping back into the shadow a few times to build up this color. For me, this is like the perfect everyday crease transition shade. Now I'm going to take a little bit of heroin on the same brush, and I'm just going to use that around the edges of Rise Up to soften it out. Now I'm going to take more Rise Up on a pencil brush and run that across my lower lash line. And again, I'm taking a little bit of that lighter shade heroin and using that to blend out the lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Stand Up on my finger, and that's going to go all over my lid. And then I always like to go back to my crease brush and blend around the edges of the shimmer. This is actually a great shade for the lid for every day. It's kind of like a nude brown. Now I'm going to take a small angled brush in the shade Hope, and I'm going to use this to line my lash line and do a little shadow wing. Now I'm going to pick up Maverick on my pencil brush and pop that in my inner corner. I did want to show what this eye look looks like with just mascara, since we are doing a very soft everyday eye look, and for my mascara I'm just wearing the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. Now I'm going to go pop on a little half lash. I went ahead and applied my half lash just right out here on the outer corner. I went for the most natural half lash I have, which is the Bright Lashes Flirt, and this is my lash brand. And here's the final eye look. Here are what the eyes look like from more of a normal distance. On my lips, I'm wearing my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude with the Makeup by Mario Lip Plumping Serum in Nude Glow. I love how this look turned out. I think it is so pretty and perfectly soft for every day. And you can do without the winged liner if that's not your style. You can do any kind of liner with this look. I love showing the versatility of palettes, so I'm glad that I could show you guys a really soft, perfect everyday look. I still haven't gotten the chance to use these shades on the right side of the palette, kind of the tones that lean more cool toned and a little bit purpley, so I'm definitely going to use those next. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.